Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media. Today, we're going to show you how to hide the groups section on Facebook from your profile on your PC. This is especially useful if you want to keep your group memberships private or simply declutter your profile. First, open Facebook on your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, click on the More drop-down menu. This option is usually located just below your profile picture. From the drop-down list, select Groups. This will take you to the section where all your group memberships are listed. Once you're in the Groups section, you'll see a list of all the groups you're a part of. To hide this section from your profile, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the Group section. Click on these three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Hide Section. By choosing to hide the section, you're essentially removing the visibility of your group memberships from your public profile. This means that when someone visits your profile, they won't be able to see which groups you're a part of. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain some privacy on Facebook. Remember, hiding the group section doesn't affect your ability to participate in these groups. You can still post, comment, and engage with other members as usual. It just keeps your group memberships out of public view. If you want to check how your profile looks after making these changes, you can use the View As feature. This allows you to see your profile as others would, ensuring that the group section is indeed hidden. That's it. With these easy steps, you can keep your Facebook group memberships private and tidy up your profile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.